Holy.
Ah.
Thrifty.
We did so well though.
What?
I'm not much of a pistol guy.
What does thrifty mean?
Thrifty?
Yeah.
It means like bad and cheap.
Yeah.
Oh, that explains it.
Does that make a thrift store? Doesn't that make sense?
No.
Guys, the diamond in the rough. You always find a diamond in the rough, though. Like you always.
Yeah,
find
I'm definitely going up. No, I can't. I have to go on the stairs. But yeah, I'm going.
I'm gonna
up.
see if there's anything upstairs. Anything on the roof. I'm gonna check the roof, guys. Okay.
Same.
Oh, you can actually
I'm
go
gonna
up
check the
here.
roof as
So
well.
look.
Go. Reach this. Reach
Yeah, you
this.
can go up here too. You can go up here. Oh, they're like up here.
I'm coming. Hold on.
Yeah, there's a thing up there. There's a thing up here. There's a thing up here. We need someone.
Yeah, guys, go all the way to the
Hold on.
top.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Breach foam. Breach foam. Breach foam. Does
Yeah, we
anyone
need
have
breach
it?
I
foam.
unfortunately don't have breach foam, but I do have a smoke.
Oh, I
I'm
don't have
still
enough.
smoking there?
Breach foam. Breach foam. I got it.
Don't
I got
throw
breach
this
foam.
thing.
No, I got breach foam. I got breach foam. I bought it just last second. Tell me
I
when
was about to
everyone's
buy
ready.
it.
When is everyone
Yeah.
ready?
EMP, I was about to say, what are you doing?
Grenade!
Yeah, he's right there. I shot him.
Oh!
How'd they know?
Oh! I got someone in the smoke for some reason. Oh shit! Oh, fucking Space Ranger!
Oh!
Oh, he's in here.
Oh.
Nice.
There's only one person left.
He's
Come
hiding
on.
behind like a corner. He's hiding like right here in the corner.
He's probably in here. Check right here.
There he is.
Oh!
He's right here. He's right
he
here.
Shot
He's right here.
me.
He's right here. He's right here. He's back here.
He's like right there. Be careful right here too. On the corner. There's
But
like
be
a
aware, he
corner
could be
right
flanking.
He
There's no flank.
check.
There's-
Beware of here, and then come here.
How did you
He's gonna
die?
be back here.
How did you guys die? There was like no one over here. Oh, there was like multiple. There was like yeah, he shot me in the leg, the torso, and the head 3 times.
Nice.
Yay! EMP won. I told you the roof would work,
Yeah, we gotta go there again.
but if they're on the top though, because that would be
They won't
would suck.
expect it twice, though.
Are you? Oh, they're on the bottom. Yeah, let's go through the roof. Yeah.
Go for the roof, and then I'm gonna run a shotgun.
I'm gonna run.
Flashbang and oh. All right, who
I
has
got
breaching foam?
I got breach foam. I got breach foam.
Okay.
I'm going.
Do you want us
following
to
you.
break through here?
I'm going. Yeah, I gotta clip this.
No. I'm gonna set this off as a distraction. I'm gonna
Yeah, and then
breach
go all
this.
the way up with us.
Yeah. I'm gonna quickly cover this. Go up there. You guys go down so I can distract them. Okay. I'm probably gonna die, so I'm gonna distract them. Okay.
Okay.
You guys good with that?
Mm-hmm.
Don't come with me.
We-
Am I? No.
Yeah,
Someone
you're
take my
EMP.
EMP. Hey dude. You.
What?
You.
Yeah.
Take my EMP.
Yeah, I was about
Take
to
it.
say.
Take it. Take my.
You passed the EMP.
Where is it?
It's over. Oh my god. Look. Oh. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Oh, it's over here.
Someone foam
Yeah.
this. Why are we shooting it?
You go up.
I
No,
said
you
that
go
and
up.
then shot it.
You go up. Go up there. You're the MP. Remember, protect the children from the island. Oh, I got one. I distracted them. Not your. It's
Oh,
your
shit.
chance, people. They're all like
Oh.
in here. There's like a guy right here. There's like a
Oh,
guy in
oh
there.
shit. Ah.
Oh my god. The cartel.
I am
They're
not
doing this
locking
to
in.
us.
Ah.
Hey, remember, if you don't do this, you won't see your family. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Damn, your family's gonna be killed now. Dude, the EMP
Drop
guy's
in hash.
dead. They're like down here. They're like down like in here, and like they're like hiding in B and A. No, they're hiding in like they're hiding in B and A. They're being campers like us.
Oh,
He's
shit.
right there.
I might have to go. I'm running out of
You
battery
did
power.
so well with that.
I have a shotgun.
Ooh, we
now.
can. This is like World of Tanks. This reminds me of that. Or Battlefield 6. Guys, we did it so cheap and bad. Man. Ooh, highly explosive. Yum. No, you didn't. You sold your money. They're middle, so we don't have to breach anything. No, I'm gonna breach. Yeah, I'm gonna breach. I'm gonna give them PTSD. I need to stand up. Oh, I was sitting down for half of that fight. We're gonna go where they go. Does anyone know Dagobah? I think there might be a thing like on this side of the roof. I'm gonna check up here, guys. Is there anything from Dagobah? Right here. There's like a duct right here. Break in. Hit with that thing. Bop, bop, bop. There's a vent up here that we can break open. Guys, oh my god, our friends left us. I'm black. My things, I can't even, okay. No, my thing's not my thing's on the floor. It's ready to breach though. I need to go do something. Bye. I'm done, guys. You guys enjoy. Bye.
No wait, the Grey Wolf method. The Grey Wolf method actually.
Yeah,
works.
if you want to do that trade, yeah, I'll do it.
Okay, I'm gonna do the rock one.
Damn.
I'm gonna do the rock method.
Just I need level
I want that color.
2 up.
Oh, you're trying to get
That's only 10,000
something
bones now.
better. Dang.
I'm Mr. Grey Wolf.
Fusion time.
I'm using
I'll
Mr.
actually
Grey
add.
Wolf. Yeah. No way! Mr. Grey Wolf's method actually works. I actually got the color I wanted. Barely. I don't know him.
Yes, now he got an Orso in the chat.
You're a fat app.
So guess you're not so good, but now he's
His
got
name is
some-
Big Back Flame.
He's too fat to get the thing.
Oh, this is something.
He's so fat. Oh god.
I can see.
Oh god.
I can see out of the map.
He's right there. He's behind you. He's behind you.
I can see out of the map with my horse
You're
for.
you're too fat. You can't even get me. You're so fat. You're fat boy.
I don't even think I can fit.
So fat. So fat and
I
wide
don't-
obese. You obese.
I don't know why
And you
it's
would be-
laggy.
You can't get you. You you can get 30.
Oh, I could afford a saddle, but
Okay,
like,
I'm escaping then.
yeah,
There's no way you
I
can't
don't
set
have
me.
it.
Oh shoot, I'm stuck. I'm good.
Yeah,
Hold
but
on.
I don't have exactly enough nerves. And I have that same skeleton.
Bam.
I have a skeleton.
Parkour.
No,
I
I
have a
have the
skeleton.
Too
same
fat.
Back to get up there.
skeleton color, bro. You don't
Pushing
see it.
downwards. You can't get up here.
I have a skeleton. I have a skeleton. Yeah, sure. Sure.
He's not behind me, isn't he, guys? I knew he wouldn't be behind me.
Unless you want to color swap. Yeah, what color do you have? What color shell? Do you want to color swap?
Where'd he go? Is he giving up? He's too fat. He giving up because he's too fat.
It depends on what you have.
He gave up because he's too
Make her
fat,
offer.
isn't he? You fatty. Bam, JFK.
No, my headset's about to die, so hurry up. I have 3%. And my charger's not working.
Ooh, food. Free Dragonon. I'm gonna go eat it. I'm gonna go eat that.
Huh.
Get
I'm
over
just
here,
gonna
I'm
go
hungry.
fight some of the alpha bosses in this code.
I
No,
have
don't eat
this.
him! Don't eat him! No, don't eat the little blue one. He's blue.
I'm trying to
Blue
egg
Ranger.
that.
Fatty.
People that have playing Ugg.
He can't. Okay, right there. Balrog, help me. The Oris are trying to eat the flying creatures.
Oh, there should
Sir,
be left is
I have all
ground
these.
dinos.
Someone eat Balrog. He's
I'm too
spicy.
fat.
Well, I have a Balrog egg. I don't have a Balrog.
Ooh, chicken.
He's too stupid to realize I'm right here. He's too stupid to not get me. Don't get me.
Let me X-ray real quick for the cave.
He didn't see me.
Hello. I saw you in there.
I have both bundles,
Too big back for you to read.
but I traded for one of them. Look, look. See,
That's it. I have to go.
That's nice. He'll never find me, dog. He can't find me. He can't find me. He can't find me. He's so stupid.
Does anybody have a skeleton?
I mean,
I have a skeleton.
Can I offer?
What's your offer?
I'll put it down on the table.
He's offering for it first.
Levels that Oris, dog.
Okay.
Why is he
That's
so
it. I'm gonna
crazy?
use my gravitation pull.
Oh no! It pulled me closer.
Yo, anybody else?
Oh.
That's it. Gravitation pull.
Oh no!
Yo, anybody here?
Infinite hamburgers. The main
God.
expansion. Infinite burgers.
God, you. Oh no. Ugh. I'm so skibbity. I can fly.
I'm
Yo, is that a
tired. I can't
waterfall?
run no more.
Which one?
I'm going back to my cave to go eat more burgers.
Bro, it's a glider, bro. It doesn't even fly.
I can fly.
I can fly.
I'm not sure. I'm just trying to color
I
something,
mean, you
really,
can't
bro.
hear me.
Unless you want to color swap.
Who has a?
I'm going to
who wants-
Walmart.
Who has an iguanodon? Who has an iguanodon?
I'm too
Good
fat to
question.
walk.
Who has an iguanodon or a blue or a mother swoop jaw?
I'm too fat to walk.
Who has
Makes
a blue
sense.
swoop jaw or a mother swoop jaw?
I'm going to the
Hey,
skibidi
just because I'm
toilet.
considered a glider doesn't mean I
I
can't
was
fly. I
just
can still
gonna
fly as a
color
glider.
swap, bro.
Biggie back. Biggie back.
I was just gonna color swap.
They removed
But mine's
caves,
only
it's so
level 12,
unfortunate.
so
I can
probably
barely
not.
even walk. I need to use my poopy. So
I know,
so can
and I
walk.
said
I
mother.
can fly.
Say you can barely
That's a you problem.
So
You can't
it's
fly, you're
literally
too
the
fat. You're too
first
fatty,
one.
fat.
Whoa.
Damn, it's so.
Yeah.